So we are ready to score a full 100 in home science? Well, we were doing the sample paper of home science for this year, that is session 2020 and 21. Let us begin with section B, which includes the case study based questions. Now, case study, I already told you, it implies you will be given a paragraph or a situation which you have to analyze and answer the questions on the basis of what we have already covered. So let us do the first case study, which is from the second unit of food and nutrition. That is, malnutrition is the underlying cause of at least 50% of the deaths of children under 5 years of age. The statistics for nutritional related problems in our country reveal an alarming situation. So the situation is actually alarming. Why? Because almost 1/3 of the infants born in India are low birth weight children. Low birth weight may have adverse effects throughout their growing years and may also have adverse implication even in the adult life when they grow up. And low birth weight may even lead to child mortality. Child mortality, the death of children before the age of 5. This is child mortality. Now, there is widespread prevalence of growth retardation among preschoolers, especially the preschoolers from the socio-economically disadvantaged families, and almost half the children suffer from mild and moderate undernutrition. Can you believe it? More than half. Every second child is suffering from some or the other form of malnutrition. A large proportion of children, even adults, suffer from micronutrient deficiencies. What are micronutrients? If you remember, the nutrients are categorized into two parts. The first is macronutrients and the second was micronutrients. Macronutrients include protein, fat and carbohydrates, which are required in larger quantities, and micronutrients are basically generally the minerals and the vitamins. So these are divided into macro and micronutrients. The main deficiency is that of micronutrients, which is very prevalent and vary in the degree of severity. The micronutrients which have created the most alarming or the most concerning situation are iron, zinc, vitamin A, iodine, folic acid, B12. B12 is relatively new. Earlier it was not even known that B12 deficiency exists. Now let us come over to the question answers. Micronutrient deficiencies are referred to as, the first is goiter, hidden hunger, protein energy malnutrition or anemia. So goiter is caused by iodine, protein energy malnutrition, I've already told you this is of macronutrients, and anemia is for iron. But here we are talking about all micronutrient deficiencies in general. So obviously it is hidden hunger. The answer is B. It is the correct answer. Which of the following is the immediate cause of undernutrition? Can you tell me which is the immediate cause of undernutrition? Let's go through it. Inadequate dietary intake, obviously if you are eating less, undernutrition. Inadequate education, no, not directly related to undernutrition. Inadequate health services, not directly related to undernutrition. Poor sanitation and hygiene, they are all causes of undernutrition but not the immediate or the direct cause of undernutrition. So the answer is inadequate dietary intake. Question number 17. So the answer is A. When the height of a child is less than adequate for age, it is termed as underweight. It implies the weight is less. Stunting, obviously a stunt means something which is small. Wasting, obviously not. On protein energy malnutrition, not related exactly to the height of the child. So here we are only talking about the height of the child. You can have two conditions if you remember the lesson. First is age ke according the height is less, and the second is age ke according the weight is less. Here we are talking about height, and height means something which is small, so it is stunting. The answer is B. Clear? Now we come over to question number 18. Now we start with the 18th question. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Again incorrect. Enlarged thyroid is known as goiter, which is the most common manifestation of iodine clear. Iodine se goiter. Hemoglobin is required for carrying oxygen. This also seems correct. Due to vitamin A deficiency, growth of children are adversely affected. Vitamin A, iska kaam, is it growth of the children? Growth of the children is governed by mainly proteins. Let us see the next one. Protein deficiency is called as marasmus. Yes, protein and energy deficiency, marasmus and kwashiorkor. So, vitamin A deficiency, this is wrong. It causes night blindness and some other problems, but not exactly the growth of children. So, the answer to the question number 18 is C. We finish off with the first case study based question, which had 4 questions, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Let's start with the next case study. This is from clothing and textiles. Elements of design are the tools of art. These are color, texture, line, form or shape. If you have forgotten, please go back, revise the videos and then attempt the questions. So element of designs, color, texture, line, shape or form. Color is all around us and in many forms. The identity of the product is most often attributed to color. Is it or no? When you go to the market, color is the first thing that attracts you to anything which you are purchasing. It could be crockery, it could be your clothes, it could be the paint. So color. Everyone responds to color and has different preferences. Some people like bright colors, some like warm colors, some like simple colors. And colors reflect the season, event and the spirit of the people. Season, in winters we like dark and bright colors, summers are for light and pastel shades. Events, generally when we go for events we are in bright colors. If they are party wears, or for formals we are generally dressed in sober. Spirit of the people, festivities, it involves brightness, and if it is some occasion for grief, then it invites sobriety. The choice is often affected by culture, tradition, climate, season, occasion or purely personal reasons. Are these or no? For example, in Indian culture, red is considered the bridal color, and if you are going for on a death, we generally wear white, whereas in Western countries, white is a color for brides, whereas in grief, we wear black. So tradition, climate, all these impact the choice of color. Color is an important part of fashion. Designers have to carefully choose the fabric colors to make definite statements. If you remember the few statement dresses in movies, सबसे पहले you will remember the colors. For example, it could be the Madhuri green lehenga in the movie, I've forgotten the name, or any other which you go back, you will see that the colors are very important. Color can be seen in fabrics in various design forms. Some fabric may have one uniform solid colors, while the color follows the yarn interlacing, and in others, or it may be colored in other patterns. For example, we have done color by dyeing, where you use colored threads. Here, the design is created by the threads, or yarn interlacing, and otherwise you can have various prints on the fabric. For example, you have made flowers, it could be leaves of different colors, so it could be printing or weaving. So let's come to the questions. 19th, which word can be used for the brightness of colors? Value? No, obviously not. Intensity, brightness is governed by intensity. Value क्या होता है? Lightness or darkness. If it is light or dark, this is value. Remember, shades and tints. Hue, it is the name of the color. And complementary colors, जो आपका you had this color wheel, you had different colors, remember? So complementary colors were the colors which were opposite to each other on a color wheel. For example, red and green, blue and orange. So the colors which are opposite to each other on the color wheel are the complementary colors. So intensity को कौन deal कर रहा है? It is intensity only which deals with the brightness of a color. So the answer is, what is the answer? B. That is intensity which deals with the brightness of colors. Question number 20. Colors are said to be contrasting. Here you have a choice. If they are different in lightness and darkness, light in value, dark in value, bright and intense. Here you don't have any comparison actually. तो contrast किस चीज़ को करोगे? So if it is contrast, it will be different in the lightness and darkness. In TV also you have contrast. When you change the contrast, if it is black and white, the difference between the light and the dark colors is high. So contrast, difference in lightness or darkness. Or you have a choice, yellow orange, red orange, green or yellow green. You had this color chart, primary colors, red, blue and yellow. Then you had the secondary colors, orange, green and red and blue क्या बनता है? Purple. Now yellow orange, it would be somewhere here, yellow orange. Red orange, it would be somewhere here, red orange. Yellow green, it would be somewhere here. So these are all adjacent colors, they are all close by. So are these intermediate or tertiary colors, secondary, primary or triad? Red, blue and green, these are primary colors. Purple, green and yellow, orange, these are secondary colors. So the red, orange, yellow, orange, these are all intermediate or tertiary colors. So the answer here is A. These are all intermediate or tertiary colors which are made by combining one primary and one secondary colors. Remember, again I am telling you, if you have forgotten, go back, revise it and you will be able to answer all these questions. Again there was a choice in question number 21. Which of the following visual elements is concerned with the shade of a color? Now we are again talking of shade. So is it line, texture, value or size? Visual elements concerned with the shade. Shade कहाँ पे आता था? It was value where you had the tints and the shades. Shades implied when you add black to a hue. So when you add black to a color, it is the shade. So if you are talking about shade, it is the value. Now the second choice is when white is added to any other color, it is called as dash of a color. Can you tell me what is it called? What is it called? Shade, tone, tint and hue. I have told you so many times, hue is the name. Shade mein you add black. Tone, this implies brightness, and tint when you add white. So what will be the answer? White color is added, it is the tint. So the answer is C. This was a pretty short video. We have covered 2 case studies. We'll take a few more examples when we are revising. Is this much clear? Are you ready to score a full 100, 17 practicals and 13 theory? Come on, keep on doing it. I'm sure together we can and together we will do it. All the best. See you in the next video with section C. Till then, bye-bye. If you haven't subscribed, I've forgotten, do go back and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your